On this view, you can import an existing wallet. We're going to do that first. So let me get my private key. As I mentioned, this belongs to the Rinkeby network, so it's totally it's a testnet wallet.
Okay.
We hit import. Right here, as you can see, and using the instance that we created, Pocket Core. After the Pocket Core, we have the network that is Rinkeby. So if you added the network ID for Rinkeby, this namespace is going to be available for you. So it will be pocketcore.rinkeby, and after that you do import wallet. Right now I'm passing on the key that we use on the view. Let's see if it's an error or not. Okay, so this the import wallet will create a wallet object, as you can see here, that have the address, the network information, and the private key. So after this is done, we are going to go to the chat view, because that's all you need to use the chat view. We need a wallet. So let's jump into the chat view. I'm still going to take a little bit. As you can see here, this is the actual address. I just cut out some of the characters, so it looks more like a username, the same for the, everyone on the network sending the messages. That's welcome to Pocket. Hey, how are you guys doing? All those messages are stored in the smart contract. I will show you how we are retrieving the information after showing how we create a new wallet. So we can go back home. If you don't want to import a wallet, we can just hit create wallet. This will render. Let me go to the action over here. So this will render the create wallet view. As you can see, the path is create. You can go direct to it. It will work fine. Both text area are disabled by default because we are just going to show you data. So after you hit create, this is going to call Pocket Core, Rinkeby, create wallet. And as you can see, we have a wallet that was created successfully with address, network information, and the private key. So this is the wallet that we're going to be using. And we hit next. Okay, that part, since I was debugging, but you need to tap it, and it will show right there. After that, the continue button will be displayed because we already have a wallet that we can use on the chat, and we hit continue. Now, this part, we already showed this part. It's going to load the messages on the network. Since this is a new account, it won't have any balance for us to send a new message.